Number 1. The 1959 Chevy Bel Air, listed for $6,800 in Colleen, Texas, is a rare opportunity. With its dramatic wing, sweeping body lines, and vintage chrome accents, the '59 Bel Air remains one of Chevrolet's most iconic designs. This particular example is ready for someone looking to restore it to its original glory. This Bel Air is a full restoration project, but several important steps have already been completed. The car is already on new tires and wheels, giving it a solid stance and making it easier to transport to a shop for the next phase of work. The owner managed to start the engine and noted that it sounds great, a big plus when considering the potential of a classic project. With the brakes repaired, the car should be able to run under its own power, making it easier to move during the restoration process. As with most 1959 vehicles, there is some rust, and the car requires floor pan replacement and attention to the body and structure. However, if you're familiar with projects of this era, you know that issues like this are part of the process, and replacement panels for the Bel Air are widely available thanks to a robust aftermarket. This car requires a bonded title, and the seller is upfront about that. This allows the next owner to take legal ownership after restoration and verification. While it requires a lot of work, this Bel Air has the underpinnings and character to be salvaged. Cars from this generation always attract attention, even in project form. And after restoration, cars like this are showstoppers wherever they are. Whether you're looking to build a period-correct cruiser, a custom restomod, or a nostalgic weekend machine, the 1959 Bel Air offers a foundation with limitless potential. The seller is open to offers and willing to trade in a Razor side-by-side, another truck, or a fishing boat, giving flexibility to anyone looking to trade rather than buy. At $6,800 OBO, this 1959 Bel Air is a piece of American automotive history, waiting for the right enthusiast to take it across the finish line. If you're looking for a vintage Chevy project with character, presence, and potential, this one deserves a serious look now. Number 2. The 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D, listed at $8,000 and located in Beaufort, Georgia, is a survivor car that deserves more attention. With only 53,000 original miles and a lifetime of garage storage, this Fleetwood is a remarkably well-preserved full-size luxury cruiser, a car you can confidently drive anywhere. This Cadillac exhibits a distinctive blend of comfort, presence, and refined road performance. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and every major system is reported to be in working order. The heating or air conditioning system, the fuel range display, the power windows, and even the classic power antenna. The interior remains clean and comfortable, updated with modern touches like LED interior lighting and a Bluetooth-enabled Alpine CD player, providing modern conveniences without sacrificing vintage personality. The vinyl top is clean with no tears, a huge plus for collectors. The only interior flaw is the headliner, which needs some repair, something common on Cadillacs of this era. The AC requires only Freon, making it an easy fix for anyone looking for cool air in the summer. The exterior of this Fleetwood uses original wheels with new hubcaps and tires, maintaining the elegant appearance according to Cadillac's design. This is a large, comfortable sedan that glides down the road with the confidence of American luxury. The car comes with a clean title, and the seller is not accepting trades, making for a simple transaction for anyone ready to buy this well-maintained classic. At $8,000, this 1985 Fleetwood is more than just a clean old sedan. It's a time capsule from an era when Cadillac still set the standard for luxury. If you're looking for a comfortable, reliable, and highly original classic, this one is worth a look. Number 3. The 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe, listed at $8,500 OBO and located in Amherst, Virginia, is a rare vintage find in this complete condition. With only 50,000 miles and nearly 2 decades in storage, this Cutlass boasts the structure and originality that make it an ideal candidate for restoration or a weekend driver. The car runs and drives well, with a healthy automatic transmission and a slew of recent maintenance: new tires, a new floor pan, new brakes, new valve cover gaskets, new spark plugs and cables, and a new gas tank and sending unit. Fresh oil and transmission fluid make it even more ready. The interior is largely original but ready for an update. The car already has new carpet that hasn't been installed, giving the next owner a chance to refine the cabin. The front seat padding is in good condition, but the stitching is starting to come apart and needs refinishing, a common repair for cars of this era. The dashboard retains the classic Oldsmobile look. The factory air conditioning system is still present, but it is currently inoperative, an easy fix for owners seeking maximum comfort. Cosmetically, this Cutlass requires full bodywork and repainting, but its solid structure and stock configuration make it an ideal restoration base. With the popularity of early 1970s Cutlasses continuing to rise, this car represents an opportunity to build your own vision of a classic, an original restoration, a mild street build, or a full custom. The seller does not accept trades, making the transaction simple. At $8,500 OBO, this 1971 Cutlass Supreme offers a strong value, a complete classic that has undergone many major updates. If you're looking for a vintage GM coupe with character, history, and muscle car appeal, this Cutlass deserves to be at the top of your list. Number 4. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass, listed for $13,500 and located in FMA, Kentucky, is the kind of car that immediately stands out. With just 79,911 miles and a stack of documented paperwork supporting its history, this Cutlass offers a rare combination of originality, comfort, and long-term care, qualities that make it appealing to both collectors and weekend cruisers. This Cutlass embodies everything that made Oldsmobile such a strong player in the personal luxury segment of the late 70s. The smooth automatic transmission, paired with Oldsmobile's reputation for torquey, reliable engines, delivers the kind of relaxed driving experience that defined the era. The ride is soft, the cabin is quiet, and the car flows down the road exactly the way a proper GM luxury coupe should. Inside, the Oldsmobile is equipped with premium features for its time, many of which still add convenience today. Power windows and power seats allow you to adjust everything with the touch of a switch, reinforcing the car's upscale nature and giving a glimpse into the luxury-focused engineering Oldsmobile was known for. While specific cosmetic details aren't listed, the mileage and documentation suggest the car has been well respected throughout its life. The seller's mention of tons of paperwork is a major bonus for anyone who values maintenance history, originality, and transparency. Paperwork often reveals service intervals, past ownership, and restoration work, giving buyers confidence that the car has been properly cared for. With clean late 70s Cutlass models becoming increasingly rare, this one presents a strong opportunity for anyone wanting a classic that's easy to own, easy to drive, and easy to maintain. Whether you're after a comfortable cruiser, a show-and-shine weekend car, or a nostalgic head-turner, this Oldsmobile checks all the boxes. $13,500. You're getting a documented, low-mileage classic with desirable luxury features, a type of car that continues to appreciate as clean examples grow harder to find. Number 5. The 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed at $18,000 and located in Edinburgh, Texas, is a classic that deserves serious consideration. With 77,000 original miles and a lifetime spent within the same family, this is a true survivor, a genuine piece of American automotive history that has already received the attention needed to make it an ideal foundation for its next owner. The Mustang spent 8 years under a covered porch, protected from the harshest elements, but it still needed mechanical work when revived, and that work has been done. The seller has invested heavily in new components, including a new radiator, suspension parts, brake lines, fuel lines, brakes, carburetor, and brand new tires with fewer than 20 miles on them. With these updates, the Mustang now runs and drives like it should, smooth, responsive, and ready for the next stage. Powered by an automatic transmission, it's perfect for someone who wants a classic cruiser rather than a high-performance build. Cosmetically, the Mustang shows the patina expected of an original car, giving buyers the choice to refresh it or embrace its lived-in character. The structure is solid, the originality is intact, and the most expensive mechanical work is already complete. The seller is handling the sale for a family member and is open to reasonable offers. No trades or financing to $18,000 OBO. This 1965 Mustang offers excellent value, especially given its originality, mileage, and extensive new parts list. If you're searching for an honest early Mustang with history and authenticity, this coupe is absolutely worth a look. Number 6. The 1966 Ford Mustang, listed at $7,500 OBO and located in Lorraine, presents a solid and appealing opportunity. This factory 289 V8 car with an automatic transmission stays true to its roots while offering a long list of mechanical improvements that make it a strong driver now and an even better project later. With 66,655 original miles, the Mustang fires right up and runs and drives as it should. Both the engine and transmission have been rebuilt, saving the next owner thousands in restoration costs. Under the hood, you'll find a brand new carburetor, with the original included, a new alternator, new battery, and new water pump. On the road, new shocks at all four corners and new tires improve ride quality and drivability. Cosmetically, the car does have rust, and the seller notes it could use new fenders and quarter panels if the next owner wants to take it further. The floor pans are in decent shape, a major plus on mid-60s Mustangs. The seller is open to offers and welcomes calls, texts, or emails at any time to $7,500 OBO. This Mustang is a strong value, especially for a running, driving V8 with a rebuilt drivetrain and numerous new parts. If you want a classic Mustang with solid bones and room in the budget for restoration or customization, this 66 is worth acting on quickly. Number 7. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $10,500 and located in the Grand Haven, Holland area near Grand Rapids, Michigan, is the kind of deal that grabs attention. Showing 111,111 miles, this Z28 is not a neglected project. It's a regularly driven, tagged, titled, and well-maintained survivor blending classic muscle with modern reliability. Under the hood is a strong 350 V8 with a 650 quick fuel Holley-style carburetor, Edelbrock RPM headers, and 2.5-inch MagnaFlow FX stainless mufflers, producing a deep, aggressive exhaust note. A freshly rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission provides smooth, confident shifting. This Z28 has received new brakes front and rear, including calipers, rotors, pads, master cylinder, and all lines. Add new rear wheel cylinders, new tires, fresh fluids, a new water pump, thermostat, and hoses, and the car is sorted mechanically from bumper to bumper. It also features fresh urethane basecoat clearcoat paint, all new seat upholstery, new carpet, rally gauges, tachometer, and a Grant steering wheel. Originally a California car, it comes with a clean title with its combination of fresh mechanical work, performance upgrades, renewed interior, and new paint. This 1978 Z28 is a turnkey muscle car, ready to enjoy immediately. At this price, it won't last long. Number 8. The 1967 Ford Galaxy convertible, priced at $13,000 and located in Emerson, New Jersey, deserves a serious look. Showing 101,000 miles, it comes from a longtime enthusiast thinning his collection, not unloading a problem car. The body has had one repaint, and the seller is clear. This is not a rust bucket, not a patchwork restoration, and not a filler-laden car. It's a solid, straight, honest 67. Under the hood is a dependable 289 V8 paired with a properly executed 4-speed manual conversion, transforming this big convertible into a genuine driver's car. Recent maintenance includes a new radiator, water pump, and fuel pump, plus new tires. The convertible top is in good condition, and the interior is described as very nice and original with no tears or major wear, rare for a 57-year-old soft top. The seller accepts voice calls only, no texts, no tire kickers. $13,000. This Galaxy offers originality, mechanical freshness, and classic American style at a price becoming harder to find. Number 9. The 1951 Chevy Fleetline 2-door, priced at $15,000 and located in Bridgeview, Illinois, is a standout survivor with the originality and condition rarely found today. A California car, it's estimated to be 98% rust-free, almost unheard of for a 1951 model. It features a rebuilt 235 engine and vintage-correct 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With a 12-volt conversion, it starts easier, runs brighter, and offers better reliability than the original 6-volt system. It wears new chrome bumpers and re-chromed grille and bumper guards, giving it a clean period-correct shine. With 50,000 miles and a clean title, it's an ideal foundation for driving as-is, finishing restoration, or building a custom cruiser. The seller is open to trades of equal value. Cash preferred. At $15,000, it's one of the best opportunities on the market. A rust-free body, rebuilt mechanicals, and unmistakable early 50s style. Number 10. The 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $19,000 and located in Tampa, is a classic that refuses to blend in. This is a rare period custom with 75,000 miles that runs and drives great, complete with meaningful mechanical upgrades. The front-wheel drive Eldorado was engineered by Cadillac as a statement of power and luxury, and this example stays true to that identity with its long, low stance and unmistakable styling. Inside is a clean, original gold leather interior, elegant and distinctive. The seller deals with serious buyers only, calls only, no texts. At $19,000. This custom Eldorado represents a rare chance to own a standout vintage Cadillac with strong mechanical footing. Number 11. The 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $7,900 and located in Brilton, deserves a serious look. With just 30,000 miles and an automatic transmission, It blends vintage charm with thoughtful updates. The car has been mostly restored, wearing a clear-coat patina finish, a perfect balance of survivor character and restored presentation. Inside, the fully refreshed interior retains period-correct styling. Upgrades include new suspension components, front disc brakes, dual exhaust, headers, and new wheels and tires. Power comes from the original 221 V8, preserved in remarkably authentic condition at $87,900. This Fairlane offers excellent value for a vintage Ford with tasteful updates and strong originality. Number 12. The 1963 Pontiac Lemons, listed at $8,900 in Rochester, is definitely worth attention. With just 28,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and its numbers matching 326 V8, this convertible sits between a running project and a nearly finished restoration. It retains the rare 2-speed rope drive transaxle. The body is exceptionally solid, with strong rockers, floors, and trunk. The power top is good, and the rebuilt power steering system is a plus. New suspension, bushings, brake lines, and a replaced braking system are already done. It needs brake bleeding, new tires, and some bulbs, but nothing major. The car is 90% through its body and paint process, and the seller includes extensive extra parts, front seat upholstery, springs, panels, carpet, weather stripping, moldings, chrome, badges, bumpers, and more. At $8,900, it's a rare opportunity for a numbers-matching GM convertible with unique factory engineering. Number 13. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird, listed at $19,900 and located in Ronkonkoma, is one of the cleanest examples on the market. With only 45,000 original miles, it represents the third-generation Thunderbird at its finest: low, sculpted lines and V8 luxury. The seller states the body, paint, and chrome look like new, and the car runs like new as well. This is not a project. It's ready for shows or weekend cruising immediately. Calls only. $19,900. It's extremely well priced for its condition, originality, and mileage. Number 14. The 1991 Cadillac Fleetwood, priced at just $6,950 and located in Frederick County, Maryland, America. Sericat is an uncommon opportunity. With 171,000 miles, a clean title, and Cadillac's dependable V8, this offers traditional American luxury at an entry-level price. Finished in stately brown, it represents the final era of the big front-wheel drive Fleetwoods. The engine and transmission deliver smooth, relaxed cruising. Inside, you get classic Cadillac comfort, big seats, soft ride, and a plush cabin. At $6,950, it's a bargain for anyone wanting a budget-friendly cruiser or first classic. Number 15. The 1971 Ford Limited, listed at $5,000 and located in Bellevue, shows 16,246 miles and is described as being in good condition. Under the hood is a traditional V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, perfect for smooth 70s highway cruising. Its green exterior is pure early 70s style, and the clean title offers peace of mind. With spacious seating and relaxed road manners, the Limited captures everything enthusiasts love about big vintage sedans. At $5,000, it's one of the most attractive bargains in the classic car market.